Taiwan, Xinrui Da Precision Technology Company Limited is a leading manufacturer of precision machinery parts in China, with over 16 years of industry experience. Our main products include precision machinery parts, 5-axis CNC machining parts, CNC milling or turning parts, metal stamping parts, aluminum extrusion, and heat sinks. The main production equipment and inspection equipment are imported from Germany and Japan. Our 5-axis CNC machining center with Hermla, Germany and Matsuura, Japan can ensure much tight tolerance to 0.005 millimeter during manufacturing process. The engineering software we use includes SolidWorks, Pro-E, and UG. We can produce about 3,000 pieces CNC machining parts and about 600,000 pieces stamping parts every day. Small orders are acceptable as well. Our products are widely used in industrial automation devices, vacuum and aviation devices, communication devices, electronic and electrical equipment, medical equipment, cooling equipment, security equipment, and mechanical equipment. We has quality management certification of ISO 9001. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, excellent quality, and most competitive price plus dedicated, professional, and caring Xinrui Da people attract many customers from all over the world, including Alphanar, Lehman, and Dwyer. Furthermore, we export to over 90 countries, including USA, Canada, Germany, UK, Russia, Middle East, and South Africa. We sincerely welcome you and look forward to cooperating with you for a bright future.